Imagine waking up tomorrow with no debt, no financial stress, and complete control over your money. No credit card bills, no loans hunting you every month. Just freedom. Sounds impossible, right? Well, according to financial expert Dave Ramsey, millions of people have already done exactly that using a simple system explained in his best-selling book, The Total Money Makeover. And the best part, it does not require a high salary, complicated investments, or genius level math, just a discipline and a clear plan. Today, we are breaking down 10 powerful lessons from this book that can completely transform how you handle money. Let's get into the book introduction. Published in 2003, The Total Money Makeover is one of the most influential personal finance books ever written. The author, Dave Ramsey, is a financial expert who once went completely bankrupt before rebuilding his wealth from scratch. After learning from his mistakes, he created a straightforward money system that has helped millions of people get out of debt and build wealth. His philosophy is simple: winning with money is not about being smart, it's about having the right habits. And the book lays out a step by step system called the baby steps. Let's break down the 10 key lessons that make this book so powerful. Point number one: money problems are mostly behavior problems. Most people think financial success is about knowledge, but Dave Ramsey argues something surprising. Money problems are usually behavior problems, not math problems. For example, many people know they should spend less, save more, avoid credit cards. Yet they still struggle. Why? Because emotions, habits, and lifestyle choices drive money decisions. Ramsey compares it to weight loss. Everyone knows eating healthy works, but discipline is the real challenge. The same applies to money. Changing your behavior is the first step toward financial freedom. Next point number two: stop believing that debt is normal. Myth. Modern society treats debt like it's normal. Student loans, car loans, credit cards, EMIs for everything. But Ramsey calls this biggest financial lie. He says debt keeps you trapped working for your past instead of building your future. Let's say example. If you your income goes to loan payments, you are not truly earning money. You are just repaying yesterday's decisions. Ramsey's philosophy is radical but powerful. Live a debt-free life, and millions who followed his system prove that it works. Next point number three: use the baby steps system. Instead of overwhelming people with complex financial advice, Ramsey created a simple roadmap called the baby steps. These steps guide you through emergency fund, debt elimination, saving and investing, wealth building. The brilliance of this system is focus. You only work on one step at a time, just like climbing a staircase. One step, then the next. No confusion, no overload, just progress. Build a small, next point number four: build a small emergency fund first. Before attacking debt, Ramsey recommends saving $1,000 as a started emergency fund. Why? Because life happens. Your car breaks down, your phone stops working, medical bills appear. Without emergency savings, people often go deeper into debt. That small $1,000 buffer protects your progress and prevents financial setbacks. Think of it as a financial shock absorber. Next point number five: attack debt using the debt snowball. One of the most famous ideas in the book is the debt snowball method. Here's how it works: list all debts from smallest to largest. Pay minimum payments on everything. Put every extra rupee towards the smallest debt. Once the smaller debt is paid off, roll that payment into the next one, like a snowball rolling downhill. Your payments get bigger and faster. Why not start with the highest interest rate? Because Ramsey focuses on psychology. Quick win build momentum and motivation keeps people going. Next point number six: stop using credit cards. Ramsey strongly believes that credit cards encourage overspending. Studies how people spend more when using credit card than cash. Why? Because the pain of spending is delayed. When you swipe your card, it does not feel like a real money. Ramsey suggests switching to cash or credit card, debit cards. This forces you to live within your means, and over time, this simple habit dramatically improves financial discipline. Next point number seven: create a zero based budget. Ramsey teaches a budgeting system called zero based budgeting. This means every single rupee of income has a job. For example, if you earn $50,000 per month, you allocate it like this: $15,000 for rent, $10,000 for groceries, $5,000 for transport, $10,000 for savings, $10,000 for other expenses. At the end of planning, income minus expenses is equal to zero. Not because you spend everything, but because every rupee has a purpose. This prevents money from disappearing without explanation. Next point number 8: increase income when possible. Cutting expenses helps, but increasing income can accelerate financial freedom. Ramsey encourages people to take extra shifts, start side hustles, sell unused items, freelance or consult. Many people in his program temporarily work 2 or 3 jobs to eliminate debt faster. It's not forever, just a short season of sacrifice for long term freedom. Nice point number 9: build a fully funded emergency fund. After paying off all debts, expert a mortgage, Ramsey recommends building a larger emergency fund. This fund should cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Why this amount? Because it protects you from major life disruptions like job loss, medical emergencies, unexpected repairs. When emergencies happen, you use cash instead of loans. That's real financial security. Next point number 10: invest and build wealth. Once debt is gone and emergency savings are in place, the focus shifts toward wealth building. Ramsey recommends investing about 50% of your income into retirement accounts and mutual funds. Over time, compound growth becomes powerful. Let's say example, invest $10,000 per month consistently for decades and it can grow into millions. The key is consistency and patience. Wealth is rarely built overnight, but steady investing creates extraordinary long term results. Finally, at its core, the Total Money Makeover delivers a simple but powerful message. Financial freedom is not about luck, intelligence, or a high income. It's about discipline, habits, and a clear plan. Dave Ramsey's system teaches you to change your behavior, eliminate debt, build emergency savings, invest for the future. Step by step, no shortcuts, no gimmicks, just proven principles that have helped millions of people transform their financial lives. And once you follow the system long enough, something amazing happens. Money stops controlling your life. You start controlling your money. And if you found this summary helpful, make sure to like the video, comment your biggest money lesson below, subscribe for more powerful book summaries. And remember, the sooner you take control of your money, the sooner your money stops controlling you. Thank you.